In this video right here, we're going to move crypto from crypto.com, a very simple step-by-step process. Get your pen, get a piece of paper, and pay attention because we're going to do it very slowly and very easy. We're just going to transfer our crypto.com Shiba Inu. We're going to do 95 million and we're going to move it over to the ShibaSwap, which is basically the Coinbase wallet. That's the wallet we're going to use to sync everything together. Boom, 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 boom. We're going to do it together. So my name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel for more information and videos like this. Hit that bell notification. So let's go ahead and dive into this. So I'm going to log into my crypto.com and you can see it right there. And right there, as you see the, I'm gonna go ahead, let me click here. So be transparent with you. Click there, see if that's working. Go back. Okay, so here we go. So basically what we're trying to do, we're going to go to accounts at the bottom. Then we're going to go to crypto wallet. And then we're going to go to Shiba Inu. So we're going to go there. So what we're going to do, we're going to transfer this, just a part of this, over to the Coinbase wallet. And so that's what we're going to do. Very simple. So remember, I went to accounts and I'm going to go to transfer. Now, what you want to do is go to withdraw. Withdraw this. Now, remember, this is the crypto.com app. This is not the wallet of crypto.com. This is a DeFi wallet. It's a different thing. But I'm going to show you with the wallet, excuse me, with the app, the crypto.com app. So we're going to withdraw this. We're going to go external wallet because we're going to transfer that. And the next thing is this is kind of blurred out. But what it is that this is where my actually address is at. And how you go ahead and add another address, it will be clicking right there, that little plus there, and then wallet address. And then right here is where you need to get the address that you're trying to move to. So let me get that. Let me show you where that's at. You're not going to really see the numbers. I'm just showing where this is at in your actually wallet or your app. So we're going to get out of this. We're going to go to Coinbase wallet. And we have the Coinbase wallet. So we have the Shiba Inu already. Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu, Inu. Now you see the receive right here? The receive here, that's where the address is at. So let me go back. This is the home page of your Coinbase wallet. I'll go to Shiba Inu very slowly, very easy. Let me go back. Home page, Shiba Inu, right there. Then press receive. You can't see the information, but it's there. So I can't show you this because of security purposes and all that kind of jazz. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to copy this over. I'm going to copy this. And so I've already copied. I'm going back to this. And by the way, this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes, educational purposes. I have to say that because I don't want you to be like, oh, he told me to do that. He told me to sell it on a Friday. No, I didn't tell you to sell it on a Friday. I'm just showing you educational and entertainment wise of how to do this. So I'm going back to my crypto.com and you see that address here. I'm going to paste it. You can't see it. And that's what we would do. We'll paste it, give it a wallet name, which I call it Coinbase. Can call it Coinbase wallet number 2. So I can do that. Coinbase and wallet. See, I said the wallet address already exists in your wallet whitelist. So I already have this already, but that's how you would do it. So then the next step is there's a withdraw little actually words. We'll click on withdraw. The next thing is how much you want to withdraw. So remember, we said 95 million. So we're going to do 95 million. So 95 million. There you go. Remember, they're going to charge us 5 million Shiba Inu for making this transaction. So they're going to charge us this. So I'm thinking 95 million is good. And that's what I am thinking right now. I'll click on withdraw. And right here is what the next step is. You can't see the actual address. You can't see that. But you can see the sending. They're going to send 90 and then charging me 5. And so it's a total of 95 million. So this is going to do 95 million. But I'm only receiving 90 million. I'm only receiving 90 million to my Coinbase wallet. So I plus confirm. And what's happening is I'm going to put my pin in here. Once again, my pin in here. And then there it is. That's it. Let me close this down for a minute. So that's how you transfer it over to your Coinbase wallet. Very simple and very easy. And if I go back to my Coinbase wallet, and sometimes it takes a little while for this to happen. The last transaction I did, it took literally about 45 minutes. So I did a bigger amount when I did it. It was a much bigger amount. But don't get discouraged. You may want to go ahead, take a walk, or get a drink of water, or listen to some music, or watch some videos of Adam Shelton. Hey, watch some more videos of mine. That'll be great. You know, I appreciate it. But it may take some time for this to go ahead and actually load up. If I go and look at what we are, and right now it has not been inside the account yet. So it may take 45 minutes. So I don't want to hold you up on this day here. So just check it. And once it's there, it's there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another video and I'm going to basically show you what you can do with that once that come in. So stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Don't worry about that. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is educational and entertainment purposes to show you how to do it if you choose to do it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget, watch my next video. I'm going to pick up right where we left off. Because remember, it's going to take about 30 to 45 minutes, possibly, for the actually going to the account. I don't want to hold you up. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Check out all my links in the description box for Shiba Inu, Bone, and other things. And I'll see you later. Yes.